Tribal Wheat. Away they go. Game Changer from the outside. Bruno Scott down on the inside. Tribal with Shoemaker. Camora, angat ang Pinoy. Psst. Taxi is the early trainer. The favorite. Tribal with by a neck. And on the outside is Bruno Scott. Game Changer racing in third from the outside, running by Daral Camora. Shoemaker is racing in fifth from the outside. Then here comes Taxi, angat ang Pinoy. And inside the last 600, Tribal Wit by Hapalan, followed by Bruno Scott. Game Changer, Shoemaker. Taxi is now running in fifth. And rounding the far turn, Tribal Wit by a length and a half. Game Changer, Bruno Scott, Shoemaker. Taxi is running by Daral Racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with the outstanding favorite Tribal Wit by about 2 lengths. Game Changer is on the outside and by Daral's Bruno Scott, and nearing the finish line, Tribal Wit by about 2 lengths. Game Changer, and finally Tribal Wit, Game Changer, Bruno Scott, Shoemaker,